Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can check your saved reels on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, you'll have to open the Instagram app on your device and also make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now, since we're on the home page, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it and you will be led to your profile. Similarly, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see a three-lined icon. Tap on it and you will be led to the settings and activity page. Here you'll have to tap on the saved option as shown on the screen. Then you'll be able to view your saved posts and audios. You'll have to tap on the all posts option and you can view your saved posts here. Just besides the post grid, you can see a reels icon. Tap on it and here you'll be able to view your saved reels as shown on the screen. So it is that simple to check your saved reels on Instagram. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.